Welcome back, everybody. Skyway Classics YouTube channel, and this is Nyla. Today I have for you a real classic 1946 Chevy Coupe. Beautiful, beautiful two-tone paint job with the silver and the red, yellow pinstriping, shaved door handles, looking nice and sleek. Just want to get you a real feel of the paint and the look of the car in real time. Got a hitch on the back in case you want to do a little towing, and can easily be removed. I got the door popped already. Take a look on the inside. Just beautiful black bucket seats. It is a coupe, but there is a back seat. Super, super clean in here. Nice, simple dashes, everything in working order. It is an automatic, and this thing has some serious power. I believe it's a small block under the hood. We're gonna get it started so you can hear this thing in motion. It is loud and proud. Take a look at the description below to see all of the uniqueness of this car. It will go into detail and tell you all about it. Stay tuned, I'll get it started for you. Alrighty, got the 46 started up for you. Little custom paint job in there. Check that engine out. He's pretty mean. He sounds real good too. Sure to turn some heads driving down the road in this thing. Sounds so good. Alright, I'm going to take it down the road for you. Alright, inside the 1946 Chevy Coupe. Trying to focus in, it's a little sunny there. Automatic. Just listen to that thing. These cars are so much fun to drive because it's like being in like a time capsule of sorts. Way before my time. So like I said, I don't know a whole lot about this car. I don't know a lot of the modifications that have been done, but they will all be listed in the description below, so please check it out. I'm just gonna take it down the road for you so we can see how this puppy drives. Take it down this little gutter here. Nice and smooth. Working gauges. Super, super smooth ride. Taking this corner nicely. Let's give it some speed. Shifting gears beautifully. Do a little brake check, no hands. Straight on. Solid car, 1946. Can't beat it. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around. We'll get it up so we can show you the undercarriage. So stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in.